Hello friends, welcome. I have something really special to share with you. I have Laduree 2024 Advent Calendar. Do you want to see what's inside? Let's check this out. Let's see what's inside. Just want to show you how beautiful is this calendar. It's very big. This is how it looks from the back. This is how it looks inside. Ta-da! Let's start with number one. Number one item. Cookie. Number two. Another cookie. Number three. I'm not sure what it is. Raisins or nuts. That's number three. Number four. More cookie. Number five. Another cookie. This one looks like vanilla beans. Number six. Where is number six? I think it's a marmalade. Yes, it's a marmalade with a chocolate covered. Number seven. Cookies. Chocolate one. There's a lot of cookies, looks like. I wish they were macarons, really. Another cookie. This one orange, I think, or passion fruit. 8. Number 9. More marmalades covered in chocolate. Number 10. Another cookie. Eleven. Oh, this, I think just a chocolate, plain chocolate. This is number 11. Now, number 12. Almost half of the Advent calendar. More marmalade cookies. Marmalades covered in chocolate. Number 13. This is number 13. It's a fudge. Number 13. 14. Oh, this one is honey. This is number 14. Number 15. So excited, actually. Oh, look at this. It's some kind of candy or something. Number 16. It's just one cookie. I feel like this one is pistachio because it looks like green or lime maybe. 16. Number 17. Oops. Drop some. It's all going back. We're all gonna eat this later. 18. not sure. Some kind of nuts or maybe pistachios. 19. I feel like this one fudge or something. 19, 20. Oh, this one I love it. Marmalade. 20, 21. We're almost done, guys. Another honey. No, this one is jam. 21 is jam. 22. Some kind of candy. 23. Marron glaze. Well, I have to see what's inside. Ooh. That was number 23 and number 24. Oops. And number 24 is, oh, look, so cute. This is number 24. And I think this is instruction. I have to read and see what it's all about. Oh, I think this one is like an ornament you can put on your Christmas tree, like in the last year Advent calendar. So check it out. Let me know if you like this one. And don't forget, I have one Advent calendar 2023 from last year. If you want to check this video, I will list it at below. Let me know if it's worth this price, this Advent calendar.